He was born into poverty, rose through pure passion and dedication, and became one of the greatest footballers the world has ever seen. This is the incredible life story of Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro. Was born on February 5, 1985 in Funchal on the island of Madeira, Portugal. The youngest of four children, Ronaldo grew up in a working-class family. His mother was a cook and his father worked as a gardener and kitman at a local football club. Life was not easy. At one point, his mother considered terminating her pregnancy because of their financial struggles, but fate had bigger plans. From a young age, Ronaldo showed signs of brilliance. At just 8 years old, he began playing for a local team called Andorina. By the time he was 12, he left home and moved to Milan, Portugal to join Sporting CP's academy in Lisbon. It was hard. He cried every day, but he trained harder than anyone else. In 2003, at just 18 years old, Cristiano signed with Manchester United. It was here that he evolved from a skinny teenager with flashy trick into a global superstar. Under the guidance of Sir Alex Ferguson, Ronaldo won 3 Premier League titles, a Champions League trophy, and his first Ballon d'Or in 2008. In 2009, Ronaldo made a world record transfer to Real Madrid for £18 million. He wore the iconic number 7 jersey and became an unstoppable goal machine over 9 seasons. In second, 450 goals in just 438 games, won 4 Champions League titles and added 4 more Ballon d'Ors to his collection. In 2018, he joined Juventus, continuing to break records and win trophies. In 2021, he returned to Manchester United, bringing his journey full circle. Despite ups and downs, he remained a symbol of elite professionalism and unmatched dedication. In 2023, Ronaldo took his talents to the Middle East, joining Al Nassr in Saudi Arabia. He became not only a football icon but also a global ambassador for the game of the pitch. Ronaldo is a devoted father, a businessman, and a fitness icon. From poverty to private jet, his journey is a story of focus, discipline, and self-belief. Cristiano Ronaldo is a more than just a footballer. He is an inspiration, a legend, a reminder that with enough work, anything is possible. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more inspiring stories from the world of sports.